Next concept in transport of water in the unit of plant physiology, that is osmosis. Osmosis is a process by which movement of the solvent particles from higher concentration to lower concentration. So, in terms of solvent, nothing but water. Movement of solvent particles from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. Lower concentration till reaches to equilibrium. That is in terms of solvent, means water. Water moves from its higher concentration to there the reason lower concentration, that is osmosis. In case of solute means water mixed with some other substances, that is solvent. In terms of solvent, movement of solvent particles from dilute concentration to concentrated solution. It means dilute solution to concentrated solution. It is a in terms of solute or solution. Next, one more definition. Movement of the solutions from hypotonic to hypertonic. Movement of solutions from hypotonic to hypertonic. In terms of three definitions. One is movement of solvent particles from the higher region to lower region. It means this is the one container, this is the water, this contains two compartments. Next, here concentrated solution, here we are taken, it is general solution or general water, solvent. What will happen? Concentrated solution, in concentrated solution there is no free water molecules are less. It means in concentrated solution free water molecules are less. In solvent or normal water contain more water molecules, more free water molecules are present. So free water molecules are more means concentration is high here. Here less water molecules are present, concentration is less. So movement of the solvent from the higher concentration to lower concentration, this is the higher concentration to which is the lower concentration. This is one thing. Next, movement of the solvent particles from the dilute solution to concentrated solution. For example, here taken, it is a dilute solution, here concentrated solution. In dilute solution, less concentration. Concentrated solution, it contains high concentrated. Dilute solution contain more free water molecules, and concentrated solution they have less concentrated, less water molecules. So water molecules are more. Next, water molecules are less. So water molecules are more means concentration is high. Water molecules are less means concentration is less. So dilute solution means the water molecules are moved from dilute solution to high concentrated solution. Dilute means more free water molecules. That's why from the higher region to lower region. Next, in terms of hypotonic, isotonic. Here hypotonic solution we are taken, it is a hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution. Hypotonic solution less concentrated and free water molecules are more. Hypertonic solution, which is high concentrated, less water molecules are present. Here high water molecules, here less water molecules. High water molecules is there means high concentrated, less water molecules means less concentrated. So the water is moves from higher concentration to lower concentration. So hypotonic to hypertonic. This is the definitions in terms of solvent, solute and solution and hypotonic solutions. These three. Next, these three solutions we are observed. It means isotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic. So isotonic means the medium concentration and substance concentration or cell concentration is equal. Next, that is hypotonic. Hypotonic means the solution concentration and as well as what is that cell concentration is different. Here water contain hypo, cell contain hyper. Next it is hyper concentration. So liquid have or water have high concentrated solution, high solution. Next to cell have less concentrated. So we have to keep both plant cell and animal cell in these three solutions. What will happen? We have to observe. Let's see. This is isotonic solution. In isotonic solution we are kept one animal cell. This is animal cell. Animal cell kept in isotonic solution. This is isotonic solution. Isotonic solution is contain same equal concentration. It means equal concentration of water and cell, media and cell. What is nothing but medium. So in this medium and inside of the cell, they have both same concentration. In case two molecules are come in, two molecules are enters into cell. That is, two molecules in there enters from the cell to liquid to cell. Also same concentration of molecules will be transferred. That is 50-50 distribution of process. It is 50-50 distribution. Equal distribution. They are reaches to till equilibrium. Equilibrium is nothing but both concentration are equal. That is equilibrium. Equilibrium is inside of the cell also same concentration. Outside of the medium also same concentration. Medium and cell, they have both same type of concentration. That is equilibrium. That is 50-50 molecules of distribution is taking place. So no net movement. No net movement takes place. And one thing, cell concentration and medium concentration is same. both cell comma medium concentration is same. Inside of the cell concentration, outside of the cell concentration means so what is that? Solution concentration is same. That's why it is a isotonic solution. It is isotonic solution. Next, hypotonic solution. This is hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution. And plant cell we are keeps in this medium. Here hypotonic means less concentration, means inside of the cell contain high concentrated. So this is hypertonic condition. So due to the endoosmosis, the molecules are moves from the lower concentration to higher concentration. Why? Because hypotonic solution contain less concentration and the cell contain high concentration, high concentrated. That's why it is a hypertonic solution. Hypertonic. So molecules are moves from the less concentration to high concentration. Inside of the cell high concentration is there because hypertonic. Medium content hypotonic is less concentrated. So water molecules are moved from the lower concentration to higher concentration. So this is water molecules are get in due to the process of endoosmosis. Due to the process of endoosmosis, molecules are moves from medium to cell. Medium to cell. And due to the endoosmosis, what will happen? Water is moved from medium to inside of the cell. Inside of the cell mainly bulges or becomes to swell and turgid. Next, cell received more amount of water. That's why what will happen? Cell will be swell or cell is turgid. Cell becomes to turgid. Due to that region, cell is break down the cell wall. What is that? Plasma membrane will be broken down. So plasma membrane will be broken down, and result of cell is breaks into, that is formation of ghosts. Ghost is nothing but cell is like that, the pieces will comes out. The cell is breaks into pieces. Cell is breaks into pieces. They are called ghost. They are called ghost. Due to the process of endoosmosis, mainly endoosmosis, cell is becomes to turgid. Means the cell receive more amount of water. Cell receive more amount of water, and cell membrane is broken down into ghost or pieces. Cell membrane breaks down into pieces, that is ghost. Next, one more solution. This is hypertonic solution. Solution mainly hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution. It means medium content high concentrated, and as well as cell content. This is hypotonic condition. Why? Because hypotonic medium is there, means that cell concentration become to less. Hypotonic becomes to hypotonic. Hypertonic and hypotonic. When medium have high concentrated, the cell becomes to less concentrated. So hypotonic solution contain high concentrated, free water molecules are less. Next, hypotonic solution, less amount of concentration takes place and more free water molecules are present. the more free water molecules are moves from the higher region to lower region by the process of osmosis, which is exoosmosis. Exoosmosis means the movement of the water molecules from the hypotonic to hypertonic solution. Inside of the cell hypotonic, outside of the cell medium contain hypertonic. That is exoosmosis. Next, in this process, a result of cell will be shrinked. Cell becomes to shrinkle or flaccid. It means this rounded cell changes into this, that is shrinkled cell or flaccid cell, or cell is becomes to the plasma membrane becomes to shrink. Result of flaccid cell will be formed. This is by the process of exoosmosis, movement of the water from cell to medium. So movement of water or molecules from inside of the cell to media, that is exoosmosis. So what will happen when we our cell kept in isotonic solution contains same equal concentration in medium and as well as cell, so there is no significant change. Same, and example here, 0.9% sodium chloride and 0.5% or 5% of glucose solution in our blood. They are examples for isotonic solution. In isotonic solution, 0.9% sodium chloride and 5% glucose is common in our blood. They are under comes into, that is isotonic solutions in our blood. Next, hypotonic solution. When our animal cell kept in, that is what is that, sugar solution or salt solution, what will happen? This outer medium contain hypotonic, less concentrated, and inside of the cell contain hypertonic. So result of water enters into from the medium to cell becomes to turgid and cell wall ruptured, plasma membrane ruptured to formation of ghost, and our animal cell keeps in, that is hypertonic solution, means high concentrated. That's why inside of the cell low concentrated. Due to the exoosmosis, water comes from the cell to medium. So result of cell become to shrinkle, and totally the cell plasma membrane becomes to, they are flaccid or shrinkle. Movement of the water from cell to medium. This is the when animal cell kept in different types of solution. This is animal cell condition. Animal cell kept in different mediums. That is animal cell kept in different mediums. One is hypotonic, there is no significant change. Endoosmosis, cell becomes to turgid and result of breakdown, and hypertonic, that is cell becomes to flaccid or shrinkle. When next plant cell, we have to keep in these three kind of mediums. What will happen? We have to observe now. Next, plant cell. Next to plant cell kept in different mediums. plant cell keeps in different concentrated medias. First medium, that is isotonic. So this is the plant cell and this is the isotonic solution. There is no significant change. Why? Because equal amount of concentration present in cell and medium. Next, this is hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution. This is the cell, plant cell. When plant cell, it is a hypotonic solution, less concentrated. Next, inside of the cell, that is a hypertonic. Inside of the cell, hyper condition. So water molecules are moved from less concentration to high concentration. Cell is becomes to swell. Cell is becomes to swell, and result of somewhat swelling we are observed in the plant. Why? Because cell is not break down like a animal cell. Why? Because it contains a rigid cell wall. A rigid cell wall is present. That's why the cell gives pressure to cell wall. Cell wall also provides same pressure to cell. That's why there is no significant change. So what will happen? Only cell becomes to swell, and cell wall provide equal pressure to cell. So cell wall gives equal pressure to cell. That's why cell is not breakdown, only we are observed, that is a swelling, just a small significant change only we are observed in the animal cell. Just swell becomes to enlarge, cell becomes to bulges, cell becomes to swell, that's only. But the cell wall is not ruptured, the cell is not broken down, plasma membrane is not broken down. Why? Because plasma membrane not broken down means outside of the plasma membrane one more layer is present, that is cell wall, rigid cell wall. That rigid cell wall shows equal pressure to the plasma membrane. That's why plasma membrane or cell, they cannot able to break down. That is hypotonic solution. So which amount of pressure is exerted by the cell, that amount of equal pressure also exerted by cell wall. That's why cell wall and cell show some swelling but not ruptured. Next, third medium, that is hypertonic solution. This is the animal cell. This is due to the endoosmosis. It is mainly endoosmosis. Due to the endoosmosis only water enters into cell. Next, hypertonic solution. In this hypertonic solution, this is high concentrated, this is a low concentrated. It means which is hypotonic condition. This is hypertonic condition. So due to the reason, due to the exoosmosis, due to the exoosmosis, what will happen? The water content comes from the cell to, that is the medium, cell to medium. And what are the changes we have to observe in this cell? The main thing is, actually in plant cell, large vacuole is present. This is the nucleus. This large vacuole contain water content. So when we kept this in hyper condition medium, is a high concentration, is a hypertonic solution. The water is comes from the vacuole. That's why vacuole is becomes too small. That remaining protoplasmic condition is totally comes to one corner. So this is the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. Means when due to the exoosmosis water comes from the vacuole to medium, there is no water in the reduce the water in vacuole. That's why vacuole size is less, or vacuole size is changes into small, and remaining what are the cytoplasmic content in the cell, there comes to one corner. Total cytoplasmic content comes to single corner. This is cell is becomes to shrinkle. Cell is becomes to shrinkle. This is plasmolysis. This is plasmolysis. This is plasmolysis. Plasmolysis means water content is comes from the vacuole to medium. That's the result of vacuole size is becomes to small, and remaining cytoplasmic content also comes to one corner. That is plasmolysis. That is plasmolysis. Next, when this plasmolyzed cell kept in hypotonic solution. So this is the hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution. What will happens? This shrinkled cell or receive water from the due to the endosmosis from the medium. This is the medium to enters into inside of the cell, and cell is changes into becomes to normal. That is deplasmolysis. That is deplasmolysis. Deplasmolyzed cell. What we think we have to remember once. First thing is, when our plant cell kept in hypertonic condition, means high concentrated solution, cell is becomes to less concentrated. Result of endoosmosis, exoosmosis, what will happen? The water is moves from cell to medium because of exoosmosis, comes from the cell to medium. Next, result of cell becomes to plasmolyzed. Plasmolyzed means that vacuole size is big is there. Actually the vacuole size is reduces because inside of the water content of vacuole there comes from the vacuole to medium. That vacuole is becomes to shrinkle. Then total protoplasmic content there moves to single corner. Their total protoplasmic content moves to one corner. That is called plasmolysis or plasmolyzed cell. That cell is plasmolyzed cell. Process is plasmolysis. That plasmolyzed cell, when we kept in our hypotonic solution or less concentrated solution or general water, what will happen? That vacuole and cell take up the water from the medium. And vacuole size is enlarged because the water taken from the medium, receive the equal amount of water from the medium. Vacuole size is retained to normal, and that cell is changes into normal cell. That process is called plasmolysis. Deplasmolyzed cell, when kept in our hypotonic solution, the water received by the solution by the cell and changes into again retake the normal shape, that is normal plant cell. This is animal cells and plant cells. We are kept in different types of medium of solutions. What is the significance of this osmosis? Osmosis process which is helps to movement of the water from the roots to plant body and cell to cell. Movement of the substances from the one cell to another cell. Movement of the water from the lower region to higher region. Movement of the substance, anything, they are moves from the region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration in the plant body.